Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete Instagram account permanently on iPhone. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This is very easy and simple process. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to delete Instagram account permanently on iPhone. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the top right corner, you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Now go to the option settings. Now here you can see different options. Tap on that option account. Now at the bottom you can see the option of delete account. Tap on that. Tap on delete account on the bottom. Tap on continue deleting account. Now you have to select the option. Here I will be choosing the option of privacy concerns. Here you have to enter your password. Tap on delete. Tap on OK. Wait for a few seconds. You can see that my account has been deleted. In this way, you can easily delete your Instagram account permanently. I hope now you guys are clear about how to delete Instagram account permanently on iPhone. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.